So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get from Amsterdam Schiphol airport to Centraal station. So when you're in the baggage hall, there are machines where you can buy your train ticket, which you just saw there. If you're not buying it from there, you can go to the main arrivals hall, and there are plenty of ticket machines which you can see here. It says train tickets at the top, and it's these yellow machines. So once you get to a machine, you can either do a day return or a one-way trip. Select Amsterdam Centraal and choose whether you want first or second class and how many passengers. Once you're done, just make your payment. You can pay by cash or card. After making your payment, your ticket comes through at the bottom. So just take your ticket, and now you need to head down to where the trains are. So we're going to go downstairs. We're going to take the escalator. Make sure you check the screens so you know which train to take. It will say Amsterdam Centraal, so you check which platform that train is going from. Go to that platform and then board the train. So here we are, just getting on the train. Amsterdam Centraal is the next stop. And here we are at Amsterdam Centraal. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about this trip, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.